Hi there. Well, the day is upon us. What day, you may ask? Eldritch Omens. It's finally here. All of us Eldar players, and some of you Chaos guys, I guess, I don't know. But all of us Eldar players can finally rejoice. We finally have access to brand new Aeldari Rangers, Autarch, with many options. And of course, the brand new Shroud Runners? Shroud Runners. I was going to say Sky Runners. Skywalkers? So, it is finally here. Rejoice. Rejoice, people. My gosh, rejoice. So what does this all mean? Well, I have released a unboxing of this product. Games Workshop was kind enough to send me a copy of it, and it is everything I hoped it would be. That sounds like I'm overselling it, but I'm not selling it. I have no stake in this, but I mean, I'm an Eldar player, and you know, this is something I have been waiting many years for, and I'm looking forward to more updates, more of an Avatar, more Dark Reaper, Guardians. What else do we had? Oh, Shining Spears, Warlocks. My gosh, I can't wait. I can't wait until those get released. So to hold us over, Eldritch Omens. It's up for pre-order today, and get your hands on a copy. I did an unboxing of this. It's it's goofy, whatever. But here's the big one. For my patrons, today I have released 3 tutorials doing the Eldar Rangers. Okay, 3 of them, and 2 more are planned. So hopefully 5 videos on the Rangers. Fresh tips. These are fresh tips. So these will be making their way to the YouTube channel, but in a timely fashion. So patrons get to enjoy them first, and then they'll trickle out as I complete them. There's already 3 ready to go. Patrons are already watching those ones as I speak. Well, probably not, because the way I'm releasing this is it's too early in the morning. Well, I guess for everybody in the UK. But either way, Eldritch Omens, Eldar, and Chaos. Yay. 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 So, if you are interested in checking out 3 of 5 tutorials that are available right now, you can hit the corner patron link. It's also probably in the description below. Maybe. I don't know if I remember to do it. But yeah, you're also helping me out a great deal. And there's various tiers and perks associated with those tiers. So, and of course, I most likely will be, talking about this on Way the Brush later today. So you can join me at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard, Saturdays, every Saturday, Way the Brush. So, yeah, we're going to talk lots about it today. And man, I'm so excited. Oh, and that's the other one, getting projects done. I'm probably going to work on the Shroud Runner bikes starting this week on the Twitch, getting projects done. Those probably won't show up until the following week, but yeah, so everybody who's really pumped up for Eldar stuff, this is it. We're here. And so join me at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time right here on YouTube and Twitch as well. Way the Brush, episode 371. Who knows what the title is, because we usually make that up on the way on, during the show. So I'll be talking about this. I'm sure everybody is tired of me talking about Eldar, spamming about Eldar, posting little shorts about all the Path of the Preview updates. Although I don't think those are going to stop. And they seem to be ramping up more. They just released like a bunch just the other day. So yeah, the hype train has no brakes. Take care of your brushes. They'll take care of you, and I'll see you guys later.